Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and foolproof way to configure your Hotmail account with POP access in Outlook. This setup will let you manage your emails seamlessly and even access them offline. Stick around because by the end of this guide, your Hotmail and Outlook will be perfectly synced. First, open Outlook 2025. Look for the gear icon at the top right corner and click it. Then, select Mail to open your email settings. Once you're in, scroll down to the Forwarding and IMAP section. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see an option that says, Let devices and apps use POP. Make sure you select this. Enabling this option allows Outlook to download your emails directly from Hotmail's server, so you can access them even when you're offline. After selecting POP access, click Save or Apply to implement the changes. Make sure your internet connection is stable as Outlook needs it to sync properly. Wait until you see a confirmation that the settings have been applied successfully. Finally, it's time to make sure everything is working. Send a test email to your Hotmail account and check if it appears in Outlook. If it does, congratulations. Your Hotmail account is now fully configured with POP access. And that's it. You've successfully set up Hotmail with POP and Outlook for smooth offline email management. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.